Welcome back, guys. Part 2 of my walkthrough of my toy collection. Over here we have Legend of Zelda Sword replica. Some Star Wars vehicles, as well as that Baroness on the motorcycle, which is ridiculously hard to find at Target. They really need to fix that problem, man. ATSD, Imperial Shuttle, Black Widow's bike. Here's some comics. I have a pretty big comic collection too, as well. Some Star Wars ships. Jedi Starfighter, Mario over there in the background chilling. Some video game strategy guides. More comics. Here's episode 2 clone ships. AT-AT. The Enterprise. Riding on the AT-AT. Some more episode 3 walkers. My Power Rangers collection. Got some Legacy helmets and the newer Hasbro ones, which I think a lot better. White Ranger sword, communicator, Morpher. That's from the Legacy line. Green Ranger's dagger. This is all pretty much Legacy and superhero figure arts. They really need to do more Megazords. Hopefully Hasbro gets going with that, because they kind of just dropped it. I don't know what happened there. SH Figure Arts, which I love. Zordon, that's part of the Lightning Collection. The Megazords. Need a Shogun Megazord, man. Dragon's Horde. This is pretty much all Lightning Collection. A little putty army there. It's the Psychos. I need a Black Ranger without the shield. More comics, X-Men, older X-Men comics. More comics. More comics. It's my little game setup. Game. A little Master Chief controller holder. It's pretty cool. Avengers posters. Some Black Series helmets. Vader and Kylo Ren. Got Han and Carbonite back there. It's actually a bank, I think. A piggy bank or something. X-Wing. This is like my video game shelf. World of Nintendo. Got the Samus. Zelda. Lots of Halo figures. God of War back there. There's a couple Mass Effect. Andromeda. Random Fortune from Metal Gear Solid 2 without a hand. Well, they need to make some more Zelda figures for World of Nintendo. They kind of just dropped that. Down here's Super Mario World of Nintendo figures and Fallout bobbleheads. Also some Star Fox figures back there. Fallout bobbleheads. Some N64 games and Game Boy Advance. Got a couple Super Nintendo boxes and games. So, Halo 5 figure. Some TV series. More TV series. Animated. Spider-Man, X-Men. Beetleborgs. 90s, man. Awesome shows. Comic-Con. It's the ring from Lord of the Rings. Terminator helmet. This is a lightsaber. That's a really old lightsaber from way back. One of the first ones that came out. And here's my Sentinels. And ATTE. As well as some elites on the Ghosts. Sentinels. Can't wait for that big one to come out. The HasLab. Next year, man. Video games. And that's pretty much it. Avengers poster. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I will be doing toy reviews and comparisons, diorama tutorials, and more. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will be adding more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.